My name is Bryn Goldman, and me and my two partners, Max Snow and Justin Patterson, are here to talk about the weather of a very faraway place. Europa is one of the many moons of Jupiter, and it is cold there. So we're going to give you all the details you need if you were to travel there for vacation or if you were just curious. So tune in.
Europa's surface temperature will reach a high of negative 260 degrees Fahrenheit at the equator and a low of negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles.
These freezing temperatures cause a crust of ice to form on the surface of Europa.
Europa's orbital distance from Jupiter is 414,000 miles. It takes Europa 3.5 Earth days to orbit around Jupiter, so their day is 3.5 Earth days long. Europa is tidally locked with Jupiter, so the same side of Europa faces Jupiter at all times.
On average, Europa's distance from the Sun is about 45 million miles. It takes 12 years for Europa to orbit around the Sun, so 1 year on Europa is 12 Earth years.
The brightness and magnitude of objects in space is measured in comparison to Vega. Vega is a magnitude of 0 and the Sun has a magnitude of negative 26.
Europa has a magnitude of about 5. This means that from very dark rural areas, you could spot Europa with the naked eye, but it's much easier seen using a telescope.
Unlike Earth, there is no atmosphere on Europa due to the fact that there is little gravity.
Weather is formed by the different ways air molecules of various temperatures move around the atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere, there is no air, so there are no winds, storms, precipitation, or other weather. Due to the lack of atmosphere, there is also no sky cover.
It's made of silicate rock, water, and ice, and an iron core. The outer layer is a crust of ice due to the freezing temperatures. Under the 50 to 100 mile thick layer of ice is an ocean. The water in the ocean stays liquid due to the energy created by the tides.
Just as gravity between Earth and the Moon controls our tides, the gravity between Europa and Jupiter causes tides to bulge on the side of Europa that always faces Jupiter. With the gravity constantly pulling on one side of Europa's ocean, tides shake up the ocean and keep it liquefied under the ice.
So if you're heading to Europa for a trip, a vacation, make sure to bring your winter coats because it's going to be a chilly time.